Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 18th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So yesterday we definitely did get a pretty good push down at the FOMC news. It did happen at a pretty key level where a turn could be expected. Now the question is what if this really is a real turn and we really are going all the way back down, or whether this is just a pullback within an uptrend. I mean, we really can't rule out the possibility of this being an ABC correction and this actually just continuing up, especially because the very high time frames like the weekly and maybe even the daily do kind of lead us to believe that it could definitely keep on going up if it wants to. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I'm kind of looking at this as possibly being a pullback to this move down right here. So I got my Fibonacci retracement out here. I'm watching my Fibonacci retracement levels. If it makes any kind of a three-way pullback to one of those fib levels and then engulfing down, I would definitely go short. If it maintains impulsive movement, as it like makes just small pullbacks and keeps on making higher highs, higher lows, then obviously it's continuing back up on the higher time frames. So I think at this stage, because it's a little unclear whether this is actually a real turn or not, we should probably technically still be looking for longs unless we see a three-way pullback to a Fibonacci retracement level. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.